Good morning, children. Class 6 Social Science. Answer the following questions. Define diversity. In India, people speak different languages, eat different kinds of food, celebrate their own festivals. Second one, diversity means a range of different people or things. Second question, what are the types of diversity? Answer, the types of diversity are: first point, plant form and lifestyle diversity; second one, social diversity; third one, religious diversity; fourth one, linguistic diversity; fifth one, cultural diversity. Third question, why is India called a subcontinent? Answer, first point, a continent is a very large area of land with various physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and seas, and various type of weather patterns. Second point, India has all of them. Third point, so India is known as a subcontinent. Fourth question, write the names of three major festivals celebrated in India. Answer, first one Pongal, second one Diwali, third one Holi. Fifth question, list some of the classical dances of India. First one Bharatanatyam, second one Kathak, third one Kathakali, fourth one Yakshagana, fifth one Kuchipudi, sixth one Odissi, seventh one Manipuri, eighth one Satriya. Sixth question, why is India called the land of unity in diversity? Answer, first one, in India, people who live in different parts of the country differ in their way of life. Second point, this difference makes us unique as Indians. Third point, we come from different backgrounds, belong to different cultures, worship different gods in different ways, yet we live together. Fourth point, this is known as unity in diversity. Next one, we are going to see answer in detail. First question, explain linguistic diversity and cultural diversity. Answer, linguistic diversity. First point, according to Census of India 2001, India has 122 major languages and 1599 other languages. Second point, four major Indian languages families are Indo-Aryan, Dravidian, Austrian and Sino-Tibetan. Tamil is the oldest Dravidian language. Third point, historically, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the British, the Danish and the French came to India for trade and the occupation of India. Some part of it has left behind a certain impact upon the cultural and languages of the people. Fourth point, because the British ruled over the entire country for over 300 years before independence in 1947, the English language gained prominence in India in due course. English has emerged as an important language and medium of instruction in schools and colleges. Fifth point, it is widely used in official communication and daily life. Next one, we are going to see cultural diversity. The term culture refers to customs and practice of people, the language, the dress code, cuisine, religion, social habits, music, art and architecture. Second point, the culture of group of people is reflected in the social behavior and interactions. Third one, the group of identity fostered by social pattern is a unique to a group. Fourth point, art and architecture are an integral part of every community. Fifth one, it develops as a part of culture and traditions of a community. Sixth one, each of the 29 states and 7 union territories of India has rich traditions and unique way of artistic expression. Thank you, children.